Chapter 6. More about logo. Warm up. Match the commands with the movements shown. Color the balloons with the same color that match each other. Suppose we have to draw parallel lines. First we will draw the line PQ, then draw point R, and then draw the line RX. Notice where we have lifted the pencil. In the same way, to draw such lines in logo, we use the pen commands. A turtle has a hidden pen that enables it to draw while moving. Pen up command. This command orders the turtle to lift up the pen from the screen and move without drawing a line on the screen. The short form of this command is PU. Pen down command. While using pen up command, we have seen that turtle stops drawing on the screen. Suppose we want to draw again, what will we do? We can use pen down or PT command. This command instructs the turtle to put the pen down on the screen and continue drawing. PE and PPT command. While drawing in logo, sometimes we might make mistakes. We can use the pen erase PE command to make the turtle erase a line. Draw a rectangle using the commands given below. FD50, RT90, FD80, RT90, FD50, RT90, FD80, RT90. Now type and enter pen erase PE and type the same commands again. FD50, RT90, FD80, RT90, FD50, RT90, FD80, RT90. Keep in mind, when we use the PE command, the turtle erases the drawing in the current background color. We will see that as we enter each command, each side of the rectangle gets erased. In order to stop the turtle from erasing as it moves, we use the pen paint PPT command. To draw the rectangle again, type and enter the pen paint PPT command and type the same commands again. PPT, FD50, RT90, FD80, RT90, FD50, RT90, FD80, RT90. Keep in mind, as we enter each command, the turtle draws each side of the rectangle again. PR command. The print PR command is used to write text in the commander window. Various commands for writing numbers, words and sentences are shown in the table given below. Description, command, output. To write numbers, print 10, 10. To write words, print hello, hello. To write sentences, print how are you, how are you. To write the first letter of a word or Print first Bella. B. The first word of a sentence. Print first how are you? How. Take a break. Draw a regular hexagon in logo. Erase 2 of its sides. Steps. To draw a regular hexagon, type the following commands in the commander window. RT30, FD60, RT60, FD80, RT60, FD80, RT60, FD80, RT60, FD80, RT60, FD80, PE, BK 80, LT60, BK 80. Calculating in logo. We can also calculate in logo using the print and operating commands. We use the following operator symbols: plus for addition, minus for subtraction, star for multiplication, and slash for division. The result is always displayed in the commander window. The different commands and their functions are shown in the table given on the next page. Operator, command, description, example. Plus, sum, used to find out the sum of two or more numbers. Minus, difference, used to find out the difference between two numbers. Multiplication, product, used to find out the product of two or more numbers. Division, quotient, used to find out the quotient after division of two numbers. It divides the first number by the second number. Percentage, remainder, used to find out the remainder after division of two numbers when the first number is divided by the second number. Pen up command orders the turtle to lift up the pen from the screen. Pen down command is used to make a turtle draw a line when it moves. Pen erase command is used to make the turtle erase the line on which it moves. Pen paint command stops turtle from erasing as it moves. Commands sum, difference, product, quotient, and remainder are used to find the result of addition, subtraction, multiplication,